Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make potato salad for a crowd. Now this is going to make a lot of potato salad. As you can see, it uses 10 pounds of potatoes. You're also going to need mayonnaise, mustard, celery, red onion, sliced black olives, hard-cooked eggs, salt and paprika to taste. You're going to want to put your potatoes in a pot and put enough water in the pot to cover your potatoes. You don't want to prick the skins of the potatoes or anything because you want the potatoes to cook inside their skins. And I like to hard boil my eggs in my rice cooker. I'm just going to steam them for 15 minutes. And then when they're done, I'm going to run them under some cool water to stop the cooking process. You're going to want to cook your potatoes until your top potatoes kind of look like this one here, where the skin is peeling back and kind of exposing the potato. In total, I think it took about an hour and 45 minutes to bring the water to a boil and slowly cook the potatoes. I'm just going to pull these out of the water and set them to cool and dry on a paper towel. Generally, this is about what you want most of your potatoes to look like they're kind of splitting out of their own skin. You're going to want to let your potatoes cool enough so that you can peel the skins from them. If you use like a red potato or a yellow potato and you like the skin, you can actually leave most of the skin on and only peel some of it off. Or if you really like the skins, you can leave all of the skins on, but there's generally going to be some spots in the potatoes that you're going to want to remove. Then you're going to want to cube all your potatoes. So you're going to want to take your whole jar of mayonnaise, mix it with about 2/3 cup of prepared mustard, about a tablespoon of salt, and top it off with some black pepper, and mix it all up till it's smooth. Then you're going to want to mix it into your cubed potatoes. Next, you're going to want to peel your eggs and go ahead and either use an egg slicer, or I just take this whisk and I chop them up. When you're mixing your eggs into your potatoes, you need to make sure this is done very well so that the eggs use the sauce to create kind of an egg salad. When I use celery and potato salad, I like to use the leafy green parts, and I'll just thinly slice it all up and mix it all in. This is about what's left over. You're going to want to add some chopped red onion. Everybody has their own personal preferences, but this is what's left over from my onion. These are 2 cans of large black olives drained, and I sliced them myself. You can buy them sliced, or you can leave them whole if that's your preference, but they add a little bit more salt into the potato salad. You're going to want to cover and chill it for 6 to 24 hours. I usually try to let it chill overnight. The longer the better, because it gives all of the flavors a chance to marinate together. Now this should yield you between 50 and 60 side servings of potato salad, so you should easily be able to feed 50 people with this potato salad. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like videos like this, give it a like so I'll know to make more. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my weekly videos, go ahead and subscribe. It's free, and turn on your notifications so it'll always let you know when I have new posts.